Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Mr. English Flow channel, where learning English is easy, fun, and practical. I'm Emily.
And, excuse me, I am Henry. Good morning, everyone. Or good afternoon. I don't know what time it is.
Henry, you look exhausted. Did you sleep well?
No, Emily. My schedule is crazy lately. I am doing so many things that I forget to sleep.
Well, that is perfect for today's lesson. Today we are going to talk about how to describe your daily routine in English.
My daily routine. That is easy. I wake up, I drink coffee, I survive, I sleep.
That is a good start, but we can make it much better. We need to learn the right verbs, the time connectors, and how to talk about habits.
Okay, I am ready. But first, okay, let's go.
Let's start with the morning. What is the first thing you do?
I wake up.
Right, but Henry, do you know the difference between wake up and get up?
They are the same, no?
Not exactly. Wake up is when your eyes open. You stop sleeping. Get up is when you physically leave your bed.
Ah, so I wake up at 7 a.m. when my alarm rings, but I stay in bed and look at my phone, so I don't get up until 7:30.
Exactly. That is a very common habit. Do you hit the snooze button?
Oh, yes. The snooze button is my best friend. I hit it 3 times.
So you can say, I set my alarm for 7 o'clock, but I usually hit snooze.
I hit snooze. Okay. And after I get up?
Then we have the bathroom verbs. I brush my teeth, I wash my face, I take a shower.
Or I have a shower.
Yes, both are correct. Do you take a shower in the morning or at night?
In the morning. It wakes me up. Then I get dressed.
Get dressed. Perfect. And then?
Then I go to the kitchen to make breakfast, or usually just coffee.
Henry, wait. You are saying, I wake up, I shower, I eat, I go. It sounds like a robot.
I am a robot.
To sound natural, you need sequence connectors. These are words that connect your actions. First, then, next, after that, finally.
The glue words.
Exactly. Try to describe your morning again using these words.
Okay. First, I wake up at 7 o'clock. Then I get up and brush my teeth. After that, I have a shower and get dressed. Finally, I have a cup of coffee.
Perfect! That sounded so much more fluid and natural. Now you are ready for the day. You leave the house. We call the trip to work your commute.
Commute. That is the travel time.
Yes. You can say, I leave the house at 8 o'clock, and I catch the bus, or I drive to work.
I take the subway. It is very crowded.
So you can say, I take the subway to work. What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 a.m. sharp.
Okay. And what do you do at work?
I check my emails, I have meetings, and I work on projects.
Standard stuff. And at 1 p.m.?
I have lunch, usually a sandwich at my desk because I am busy.
Oh, sad desk lunch. You should take a break, Henry.
I know. But Emily, I don't do the exact same thing every day. Sometimes I go to the gym. Sometimes I don't.
Good point. To describe that, we need adverbs of frequency. Always, usually, sometimes, rarely, never.
Okay, let me try. I always drink coffee. I usually take the subway. I sometimes go to the gym after work.
And what do you never do?
I never wake up early on weekends. Never.
That is very honest. Remember, the adverb usually goes before the main verb. I always drink, not I drink always.
Got it. I rarely cook. I usually order pizza.
Okay, let's finish the day. Work is finished, you go home.
Yes. I get home around 6 p.m.
Notice Henry said get home, not go to home. We never say to with home.
Right. Arrive home or get home. Then I need to relax. I need to wind down.
Wind down. That is a beautiful phrasal verb. It means to slowly relax after a busy day. How do you wind down?
I change into my pajamas. I make dinner or order pizza. And I watch TV or scroll on my phone.
Very relatable. And finally, you go to sleep.
Yes, but again, is there a difference between go to bed and sleep?
Yes, getting into the bed. Sleep is when you are unconscious.
So I go to bed at 11 p.m., but I read a book, so I don't sleep until midnight.
Exactly. Okay, Henry, are you ready for the final test?
I am nervous, but I am ready.
I want you to describe your ideal Sunday, not a busy Monday, a perfect Sunday. Use connectors and frequency adverbs.
Oh, an ideal Sunday. Okay. Well, on Sundays, I usually wake up late, around 10 a.m. I never set an alarm. First, I stay in bed for an hour. Then I get up and make a big breakfast, pancakes and eggs. After that, I go for a walk in the park if it is sunny. In the afternoon, I usually meet my friends or watch a movie. Finally, I have a nice dinner and go to bed early.
That sounds beautiful, Henry. And your English was perfect. You used first, then, after that, and usually, never.
It sounds much better than I wake up, I eat.
Much better. It tells a story. Before we go, let's fix one common mistake. Henry, do you say I wake up in 7 o'clock or at 7 o'clock?
Oh, prepositions of time. It is at 7 o'clock.
Correct. A T for specific times, at 7 o'clock, at noon. IN for parts of the day, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. ON for days, on Monday, on Sunday.
But wait, what about night? In the night?
No, it is a tea night. That is the exception.
English is crazy. In the morning, in the afternoon, at night.
Just remember it as a special rule.
Okay. I think I have my routine down. Wake up, coffee, teach English, coffee, sleep.
You really like coffee, don't you?
It is my fuel, Emily.
Well, I hope this lesson helps you describe your day to your friends. It is a great conversation starter.
Yes, you can ask people, what is your morning routine? It is a great way to make friends.
If you enjoyed this video and Henry's robot impression,
Beep boop. Please like.
yes, please hit the like button and subscribe to the Mr. English Flow channel.
And turn on the notification bell so you can include us in your daily routine.
We have a question for you today. Are you a morning person, early bird, or a night person, night owl?
I am definitely a night owl. Mornings are hard.
Tell us in the comments below.
Thank you for watching. Have a productive day. Bye, everyone.
See you next time. Bye.